Good afternoon, readers. We are here in a amazing place. You are not seeing, but I am seeing in front of me the big Alps of Switzerland with this nice view from a panorama place. Now, very especially, I got time from Mr. Marcus, Managing Director of Saurer. Thanks for your time. So quickly, we'd like to learn a bit from the company, what Saurer is offering, especially when the next ITMA is coming. One thing I have heard is you have been discussing about Vision 2030, the circularity. So if you explain a bit more on that topic, what Saurer is doing for that.
Yes, the circularity is a very important topic where all of our customers are dealing with, because if we look in the textile industry as of today, the textile industry is producing 8 to 10% of the global greenhouse emissions. And also we see that even knowing that only 1% of the textile that are produced in the world currently are recycled. And this means, on the other hand, that more than 5 million of tons of textiles are discarded every year. And this are really impressive figures, and this is why yarn producers are requested to rethink their business model and to think about how they can use more recycled yarns and produce more yarns from recycled fibers. And this is where Saurer comes in, because we understand us as a key partner and key enabler of this transformation that all yarn producers are facing today. And the nice thing is that we have a full portfolio of machines that is needed for recycling yarns, starting from the blow room over the carding machines, the BD machine, our semi-automated rotor spinning machine, who is the, let's say, pioneer in the producing of recycling yarns since many decades. The Autocoro, our highly automated machines with the highest automation rate, the clear market champion when we talk about fully automated rotor spinning. But also our new machine, the Auto Aero machine, air spinning machine that is used especially for chemically recycled fibers like viscose. And of course the classical ring frames, where also the textile technology made huge progress in the recent months to produce also efficiently and in high quality ring yarns from recycled fibers. And last but not least, because normally recycled fiber yarns don't have the strength, so these yarns are often twisted to get it more stronger. And also there, with our twisting solutions, we are offering already today the right solutions. And it's not only that we have the full range of machines we are offering and where we gonna show really breakthrough innovations on the ITMA show this year.
What the new version you are bringing in 2023 ITMA in Autocoro, and how much percentage it will give from the previous version in energy savings?
So this I do not want to talk today, okay. So a little bit surprise must be as well. Indeed. But be sure that not only in the Autocoro but in all machines and in the entire portfolio on the ITMA we will show great improvements also in energy.
Great. So definitely we look forward to ITMA to see more what Saurer is to offer. And just another last question. I think this is important about the overcoming the challenge of processing the short fiber. It came once we are talking about the recycling, but for the virgin fibers also this short fiber is an important issue. So this system, as you have mentioned, extreme recycling system, it can help overall improving the material consumption percentage in the virgin cases also?
Sure. So it's an application that is very versatile. So in any case where customers are dealing with a high share, high content of ultra short fibers, this solution is a possibility. And in recycling, we don't talk always about short fibers, because short fibers are normally a problem of mechanically recycled fibers, but there is a huge market and an upcoming market as well for the chemically recycled fibers, and for example applications like viscose, and there the needs are completely different, and also the offering that we have is different. So young producers that are strong in viscose more and more go also in the new directions of for example air spinning with our new auto aero machine, which is very efficiently and allows also to produce the yarn with less energy than on conventional processes.
If you allow the last question, I think for longer life cycle, this another thing. Now the brands also will need to look forward to increase the life cycle of the product. So in spinning, how can you contribute in that line?
So in spinning, we are contributing on lifetime into two dimensions. First of all, our machines are very long lasting. So a customer who bought a Saurer machine is ready for the future. He can upgrade the machine in the future, and the machines have a very long lifetime. Another thing is what we talked before is the lifetime of the yarns we are making with our machines. And here a good example is once again the air spinning process that allows us to make yarns, for example 100% cotton yarns that have a really good hairiness, a really low hairiness, and have a very good quality in the appearance. And the nicer thing of this garments is that if you make clothes of that and you wash this and wash this and wash this, if you, for example, look for polo shirts, even if you buy a luxury polo shirt, if you wash it 30, 40, 50 times, you have a peeling effect. You have these small balls and the shirt looks old. And with our air spun yarns, you don't have these problems. So you can wash and wash and wash, and you always have the same look and feel as if the t-shirt is brand new. And this is what also luxury brands are using as benefit, and this is where also the high premium class customers going to have this kind of air spun yarns.
Right. So thank you, Marcus. Thanks for your time. I think it's great learning the new things you are coming up with, and of course this circularity and sustainability is being very critical for the coming years. I think Saurer technologies will help us in moving in that line. So look forward to see you back in ITMA, and also invite you sometimes in Bangladesh if you have
Thank
time.
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.